Medical haptics is redefining how healthcare professionals interact with technology, bringing the sense of touch into digital and robotic environments. By recreating tactile feedback through force and motion, clinicians can now feel tissue resistance, organ density, and tool interaction, even in minimally invasive or remote procedures. This rapidly growing sector is becoming essential in robotic-assisted surgery, telesurgery, and advanced medical training. In fact, the medical haptics market is projected to exceed $27 billion by 2032, driven by innovation in surgical robotics, prosthetics, and high-fidelity simulation systems. Extreme precision is required to detect micro forces and avoid damaging delicate tissues. That's where interface comes in. Interface addresses challenges with high accuracy, low-capacity sensors designed for seamless integration into surgical systems. Miniature load cells and multi-axis sensors capture interaction forces directly at the tool tip. These measurements are transmitted through high-speed data acquisition systems, instantly driving haptic feedback, so surgeons experience a true-to-life sense of touch. By integrating precise force measurement into haptic systems, Interface helps create safer procedures, faster training, and better outcomes. Surgeons gain the confidence of real touch, enabling them to perform complex procedures with unmatched precision. Interface. Measuring what matters in medical innovation.